water is about a foot below the roadway. This is the hike and bike path here. Very flooded. See, coming back over here, the roadway is flooded. The bridge is out of water, but back this way it's very flooded. You see numerous trucks and boats in the distance. Here's a couple stalled cars. FEMA rescue boat. Looks like the water is fighting the bridge quite a bit here. Back this way you can see this entire area is flooded. This is hike and bike path. You can see there's quite a current flowing across it. This way you can see houses underwater by quite a large amount.